Tired of that annoying iCloud storage full message popping up all the time? Let's ditch it and get you some extra space using an Apple gift card. First, make sure your Apple gift card has enough value to cover the iCloud storage plan you want. Check the current prices on Apple's website or in your iPhone settings. That way you know the card has sufficient funds. Now, unlock your iPhone and tap on the Settings app. It's the one with the gray gear icon. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your Apple ID profile. It displays your name and Apple ID picture. Next, select Payment and Shipping. This will open up your payment methods. Tap on Add Payment Method. Scroll down and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can either use your iPhone camera to scan the gift card code or enter it manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to redeem the gift card. Once redeemed, go back to your Apple ID menu and tap on iCloud. Now, select Manage Storage. Finally, tap on Change Storage Plan. Choose the storage plan that meets your needs and confirm your purchase. Your Apple gift card balance will be used to pay for it. Enjoy your extra iCloud storage.